Hi everyone! We have here a brand new 2026 Honda Civic RS. This is the hybrid version. The modes we have done, we coated the car with IGL ceramic coating, 5 layers of coat, everything. Hood, headlight, grille, the glass, who said white can't shine? It's like a mirror finish, as you can see. Water bleeds out easily and easy to clean and maintain when you apply IGL ceramic coating. For the wheels on this one, the client chose the Advan GT forged wheels. This is the racing black titanium color with Advan center cap. And also for the tint, we're using the BF Film ceramic. This is the Supreme Plus edition, 99% and 100% in UV protection. Check out from the inside how clear. Nothing beats BF Film. The front is medium, side and back are super dark. As you can see, it's still on plastic. This unit haven't arrived at client's house. Yes, from Casa straight to PRS. And right now, we're just waiting for the Brembo big brakes for this unit because the client wants a better braking system. Maybe a few months from now, we'll arrive, then we'll do another video with the Brembo brake on this unit. The client chose the Brembo red color for the Advan GT. As you can see, white on black wheels with black side mirror. Perfect combination. Simplicity is the best. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And please follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, everyone. Have a good day. Bye.